Pickles are a staple in cuisines worldwide, known for their tangy, crisp bite that can elevate any meal. In the United States, pickles are particularly beloved, with cucumber pickles being the most popular choice. Americans enjoy them in countless ways, as a side, added as a condiment, or enjoyed as a snack. Not only are pickles a tasty and versatile food, but they are also valued for their potential health benefits. Whether homemade or mass-produced, pickles are a timeless favorite, enjoyed worldwide. Today, Captain Discovery will take you on a flavorful journey into the world of pickles. We'll explore the moment from fresh cucumbers to the final jar, and ready to be shipped off to stores, where they'll bring their tangy, crunchy goodness to kitchens everywhere. Get ready to explore the world of pickles. Subscribe now and join Captain Discovery's journey. The history of pickles dates back thousands of years, with evidence suggesting that cucumbers were first pickled in the Tigris Valley around 2400 BC. The process of pickling, which involves preserving food in brine or vinegar, was likely developed to store vegetables for long periods, especially in regions where fresh produce was not available year-round. In ancient Egypt, pickles were highly valued. Cleopatra said to eat them regularly, believing they contributed to her beauty. In ancient Rome, Julius Caesar provided pickles to his soldiers, thinking they would enhance their strength and endurance. The word pickle itself comes from the Dutch word pickle, meaning brine, and the process of pickling spread throughout Europe over the centuries. By the 17th century, pickles were a common sight in American households, particularly in New York, where Jewish immigrants popularized the dill pickle in the late 19th and early 20th centuries. The Lower East Side of Manhattan became famous for its pickle vendors, and the dill pickle remains an iconic part of New York food culture today. Pickles have evolved over the centuries, with different cultures adding their own twists, resulting in a wide variety of flavors and types. From the sweet bread and butter pickles to the tangy, sour kosher dills, pickles are enjoyed in countless forms around the world. They continue to be celebrated for their bold flavors and their ability to complement a wide range of dishes, from sandwiches and burgers to salads and charcuterie boards. Before we start, here's the Discovery Challenge about pickles. Which American president is known for serving pickles at the White House? The answer will be revealed at the end of the video. Share your answer in the comments below now. Pickling cucumbers, such as the popular Kirby variety, are typically harvested when they are still young and small, usually between 1 to 5 inches in length, to ensure they maintain their firm texture during the pickling process. This size helps them retain their crunch after being preserved in brine. Harvesting is done either by hand or using mechanized harvesters, designed to gently pick the cucumbers without causing damage. The timing of the harvest is crucial, as overripe cucumbers can become too soft or have large seeds, which results in a less desirable texture in the finished pickles. Farmers often monitor the growth of the cucumbers carefully to ensure they are picked at just the right time, usually early in the morning, when the cucumbers are cool and firm. Once harvested, the cucumbers are quickly transported to the factory or pickling facility to maintain freshness. Once the cucumbers arrive at the factory, they are immediately sorted and thoroughly cleaned. This is done using automated washing systems, which use a combination of water jets and brushes to ensure the vegetables are fully cleaned. Depending on the type of pickle being made, the cucumbers are then prepared by cutting them into the desired shape. Some cucumbers are left whole for whole pickles, while others are sliced into spears or chips for different pickle varieties. High-speed cutting machines ensure uniformity in size and shape, which is important for even pickling and a consistent product. It's break time! Did you know the National Pickle Day is celebrated annually on November 14th in the United States, honoring the long history and love for pickles across the country? National Pickle Day was first celebrated in 1949 by the Pickle Packers International, a trade group dedicated to promoting pickles, as part of their efforts to highlight the popularity of pickles in American diets. The day is about recognizing the role of pickles in American cuisine, from being a classic snack to serving as a key ingredient in many dishes like burgers, sandwiches, and relishes. So, what kind of pickles do you like? Share now in the comment below. For fermented pickles, after the cucumbers are cleaned and prepared, they are submerged in a saltwater brine in large fermentation tanks or barrels. The cucumbers remain in this brine for a period that can range from several days to a few weeks, depending on the desired flavor and the type of pickles being produced. During this time, the cucumbers undergo lactic acid fermentation, where the natural sugars are converted into lactic acid, giving the pickles their characteristic sour flavor. After the cucumbers are brined or prepared, they are ready to be packed into jars. First, the sterilized jars are lined up on a conveyor belt. The cucumbers can be placed whole, in spears, or sliced, depending on the product type. Spices and flavorings like garlic, dill, mustard seeds, and peppercorns are added to each jar, either manually or by machines, to create a consistent flavor profile. Next, the pickling solution is heated and then poured into each jar, fully submerging the vegetables. The filling machines ensure the pickling liquid covers the vegetables completely, while leaving a small amount of headspace at the top of each jar to allow for proper sealing. The jars now are sealed using automated machines that create an airtight closure. This vacuum or high-speed capping ensures that the contents are protected from contamination and that the pickles will have a long shelf life. Once sealed, the jars undergo pasteurization to kill any harmful bacteria and ensure long-term safety. The jars are heated to a specific temperature, typically in large water baths or steam chambers, for a controlled amount of time, making the product safe for consumption and extending its preservation. After pasteurizing, the jars are quickly cooled using water or cooling tunnels to halt the heating process, preserving the texture and flavor of the pickles. The jars are then transferred to the labeling machines, which apply uniform labels containing product details such as brand name, ingredients, and expiration date. Finally, the jars are packed into boxes or crates using automated packing machines. These packages are designed to protect the jars during shipping. After packing, the boxes are either stored in warehouses or shipped directly to retailers and distributors, ensuring the pickles reach consumers in optimal condition. Some products may also be sent to international markets based on demand.
I got too many dill pickles, okay? And that's the problem.
This feels like it has a lighter taste.
And now is the answer to the quiz about which American president is known for serving pickles at the White House. The answer is Thomas Jefferson. Jefferson was an avid gardener and farmer who grew cucumbers on his estate, Monticello, and enjoyed serving pickled vegetables to his guests. His love for diverse foods, including pickles, reflected his passion for agriculture and culinary exploration. Interesting, right? Choosing good pickles involves considering several factors, from ingredients to packaging. First, avoiding pickles that contain artificial preservatives, high fructose corn syrup, or added colors, which can affect taste and quality. Next, consider the type of pickles. Pickles come in different styles such as dill, bread and butter, sweet, and kosher. Choose according to your flavor preference. Dill pickles are usually more sour and garlicky, while sweet pickles have sugar added for a sweeter flavor. The pickling liquid should be clear and free from cloudiness or excessive sediment. Cloudy brine can sometimes indicate that the pickles have gone bad or are improperly stored. Last but not least, always check the expiration or best-by date on the jar. By considering these factors, you can choose the highest quality pickles for your taste and needs. Thank you for joining us in exploring the making of pickles. Enjoy exploring factory production with us? Like, share, and subscribe to Captain Discovery for more fascinating insights into manufacturing.